Nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps lies a valley unlike any other, a place where the natural world reveals its most enchanting secrets. Imagine this, sheer cliff faces, sculpted by glaciers over millennia, adorned with not one, not two, but 72 cascading waterfalls. Each waterfall tells a story of time and nature's relentless force. This is Lauterbrunnen, a place where nature's grandeur takes center stage, offering a visual and auditory feast that leaves visitors in awe. The name itself, meaning many fountains, hints at the spectacle that awaits. It's a name that evokes images of water dancing and glistening in the sunlight. Lauterbrunnen Valley is a feast for the senses, a symphony of sights and sounds that captivates the soul. The gentle chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the constant murmur of water create a natural orchestra. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted by a landscape that seems straight out of a fairy tale. The picturesque scenery is like a painting come to life. Towering peaks pierce the sky, their snow-capped summits glistening under the sun. These majestic mountains stand as silent guardians of the valley. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers. Every breath you take feels like a rejuvenating elixir. And then there are the waterfalls, ribbons of white plunging from dizzying heights, their thunderous roar echoing through the valley. Each waterfall is a marvel of nature's engineering. It's a scene of breathtaking beauty, a testament to the raw power and artistry of nature. The dramatic landscape is a canvas painted by the elements. But Lauterbrunnen is more than just a pretty picture. It's an experience. It's a place where every step reveals a new wonder, a new story. It's a place to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with the natural world. Here you can find peace and tranquility, a rare commodity in today's fast-paced world. It's a place to hike amidst towering peaks, to breathe in the fresh mountain air, and to simply be present in the moment. Lauterbrunnen invites you to slow down, to appreciate the beauty around you, and to find joy in the simplicity of nature. When people think of Switzerland, images of snow-capped peaks, cuckoo clocks, and delectable chocolate often come to mind. While these are all part of the Swiss experience, they represent just a small piece of the puzzle. Switzerland is a country of remarkable diversity, from its cosmopolitan cities to its quaint villages, from its rolling vineyards to its glacier-carved valleys. And within this tapestry of landscapes and cultures, Lauterbrunnen Valley stands out as a true hidden gem. Tucked away in the Bernese Oberland region, Lauterbrunnen offers a glimpse into the heart of the Swiss Alps. It's a place where time seems to slow down, where life revolves around the rhythms of nature. Here, you won't find the crowds of more popular Swiss destinations. Instead, you'll discover a sense of tranquility and authenticity that's becoming increasingly rare. Switzerland often evokes images of luxury and exclusivity, a playground for the wealthy. While it's true that Switzerland can be expensive, it's also a country that offers something for everyone. Lauterbrunnen, in particular, challenges the notion that Switzerland is only for the affluent. Yes, you'll find luxurious hotels and gourmet restaurants, but you'll also discover cozy guest houses, family-run cafes, and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. The beauty of Lauterbrunnen is that it's accessible to all. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking for a peaceful escape, the valley has something to offer. You don't need to be a millionaire to enjoy the simple pleasures of hiking through wildflower meadows, marveling at cascading waterfalls, or breathing in the fresh mountain air. Lauterbrunnen Valley is a place of dramatic contrasts, where verdant meadows give way to towering peaks and thundering waterfalls meet tranquil forests. It's a landscape that begs to be explored, offering endless opportunities for adventure and discovery. In the valley floor, you'll find charming villages nestled amidst rolling hills, their traditional wooden chalets adorned with colorful flower boxes. Hike through pastures where cows graze peacefully, their bells tinkling in the distance. As you ascend, the landscape transforms, revealing dense forests of pine and spruce. The air grows cooler, and the sound of rushing water fills the air. Follow winding trails that lead to hidden waterfalls, each one unique in its beauty and power. And for those seeking a true challenge, the towering peaks of the Jungfrau region beckon. Section 5. Villages of the Valley. A glimpse into Swiss life. Scattered throughout Lauterbrunnen Valley are charming villages that offer a glimpse into traditional Swiss life. Nestled between towering mountains and lush meadows, These villages are a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and human habitation. Each village has its own unique character and charm, from the quaint lanes of Lauterbrunnen to the car-free serenity of Wengen. The cobblestone streets and traditional architecture transport you back in time, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Lauterbrunnen, the valley's namesake, is a hub of activity, with shops, restaurants, and the iconic Staubbach Falls plunging dramatically from the cliff face right in the village center. The sound of the waterfall creates a soothing backdrop as you explore the village. Wengen, perched high on a sunny terrace, offers breathtaking views and a peaceful, car-free environment. The village is accessible only by train, adding to its secluded charm and making it a perfect getaway for those seeking tranquility. Take the time to wander through the villages, soaking up the atmosphere. The slow pace of life here encourages you to pause and appreciate the simple pleasures, from the scent of fresh alpine air to the sound of cowbells in the distance. Admire the traditional wooden chalets, their intricate carvings and colorful flower boxes, a testament to Swiss craftsmanship. Each chalet tells a story, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of the region. Stop at a local cafe for a slice of freshly baked bread and a cup of coffee, and chat with the friendly locals. These cafes are the heart of the community, where stories are shared and friendships are forged. These villages are not just tourist destinations. They are living, breathing communities that offer a glimpse into the heart of Swiss culture. The warmth and hospitality of the residents make you feel at home, inviting you to become a part of their world, even if just for a short while. Section 6. Thundering Waters, a Symphony of Cascades. No visit to Lauterbrunnen Valley is complete without experiencing the awe-inspiring power of its waterfalls. With 72 cascades plunging from the valley's sheer cliff faces, you're treated to a symphony of sound and sight. The most famous waterfall, Staubbach Falls, plunges nearly 300 meters, or 984 feet, from a hanging valley, its waters transforming into a misty spray before reaching the ground. Witnessing this natural wonder is a truly humbling experience. But Staubbach is just one of many. Hike to Trummelbach Falls, a series of 10 glacial waterfalls cascading through a mountain inside. Explore the valley to discover hidden cascades, each one unique in its beauty and power. Listen to the roar of the water as it crashes against the rocks. Feel the mist on your face, and let the power of nature wash over you. Section 7. Trails of Wonder, Hiking Through Paradise. Lauterbrunnen Valley is a hiker's paradise, with trails for all levels, from leisurely strolls to challenging climbs. Lace up your boots and set off on an adventure through some of the most breathtaking scenery in the Swiss Alps. For a gentle introduction, take the easy walk from Lauterbrunnen to Steckelberg, passing by meadows, waterfalls, and traditional farmhouses. For a more challenging hike, ascend to Mürren, a car-free village perched high above the valley, offering spectacular views. Experienced hikers can tackle the challenging but rewarding climb to the Schilthorn, made famous by the James Bond film On Her Majesty's Secret Service. From the summit, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau peaks. No matter your fitness level, there's a hike in Lauterbrunnen Valley to suit you. Section 8. A Moment Etched in Time, My Lauterbrunnen Story. I vividly remember my first trip to Lauterbrunnen. The anticipation was palpable as the train wound its way through the Swiss countryside, each turn revealing more of the breathtaking landscape. It was a crisp autumn day, and the air was alive with the scent of pine and damp earth. The leaves were turning shades of gold and crimson, adding a magical touch to the scenery. As I stepped off the train, my gaze was immediately drawn to the towering Staubbach Falls, its waters cascading like a silver ribbon from the cliff face. The sound of the water crashing down was both powerful and soothing. I spent the next few days exploring the valley, hiking through meadows ablaze with wildflowers, marveling at hidden waterfalls, and discovering the many trails that crisscrossed the landscape. Soaking up the tranquility of the mountains, I felt a deep connection to nature. Each step I took seemed to bring me closer to a sense of inner peace. One evening I found myself on a deserted trail, the only sound the gentle tinkling of cowbells in the distance. The solitude was both humbling and exhilarating. The cowbells, a quintessential sound of the Swiss Alps, added a rhythmic melody to the serene environment, making the experience even more enchanting. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows across the valley, the sky turned shades of pink and orange, creating a breathtaking panorama. I paused to catch my breath, taking in the beauty that surrounded me. The moment felt timeless, as if the world had slowed down just for me. And in that moment, surrounded by such raw beauty and serenity, I felt a profound sense of peace wash over me. It was as if the mountains themselves were sharing their ancient wisdom. I felt a profound sense of peace wash over me. The tranquility of the mountains was a balm for my soul, offering a respite from the chaos of everyday life. It was a moment I'll never forget, a reminder of the power of nature to inspire and rejuvenate the soul. The memories of Lauterbrunnen will forever be etched in my heart, a reminder of the power of nature to inspire and rejuvenate the soul. Lauterbrunnen, with its majestic landscapes and serene atmosphere, is a place where one can truly reconnect with the essence of life. Section 9. Discover your own Switzerland beyond the postcard views. Lauterbrunnen Valley is just one of many hidden gems waiting to be discovered in Switzerland. This country, often associated with its iconic landmarks, holds a treasure trove of lesser-known destinations that offer a glimpse into the true heart of Swiss culture and natural beauty. So, I encourage you to go beyond the postcard views, to venture off the beaten path, and to discover your own Switzerland. Explore charming villages tucked away in remote valleys, hike through pristine forests, and immerse yourself in the local culture. And when you find that special place, that hidden gem that speaks to your soul, share it with the world. Let's celebrate the diversity and beauty of Switzerland together. What are your favorite hidden gems in Switzerland?